Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Savvy Hub, and I am here with my another video. This video is about some beautiful and amazing kind of footwears which looks really pretty and really amazing. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful kind of heel. It's in a white color which looks very beautiful and very amazing. And this one is also a very nice kind of silver colored heel which looks very pretty, like the amazing shine on this heel which looks very beautiful and amazing. And this one is also a very beautiful kind of heel. It's in a black color which looks very pretty and very amazing. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty kind of heel. It looks really amazing. It's in a different color like the white and that kind of thing. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting, more beautiful and more pretty. And as you know, footwear has undergone a remarkable transformation driven by advance in technology, shifting consumer preference, and growing awareness of sustainability. Today, the industry offers a vast array of options from high performance athletic shoes engineered for speed and agility to style, and furthermore, the rise of sustainable footwear has led to innovative uses of materials such as recycled plastic, organic cotton, and the plant-based alternatives to leather. As a result, footwear has become not only a reflection of personal style but also a statement of values, with many consumers seeking out brands that prioritize environmental responsibility and social ethics, whether prioritizing performance, fashion, or sustainability. Consumers have more choice than ever before. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end. Bye bye.